Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into University of South Australia. So first you have to open your Google web browser or any other browser you prefer. And on the top section, there's a URL section right over here. And on the bottom right over here, there's a UNISA Online, University of South Australia. So simply click on this option from the search results. And here we could see we just landed to the University of South Australia website. On the top right corner, there's a login option. And you have to scroll a bit over here and click on the student portal. And you have to scroll a bit down and over here we could see there's a login to the student portal. So simply click on that option and you'll get redirected to this page. And here we are required with our username as well as your password. So simply type down your username and your password. And after you're done with it, you can simply click on this option. But if you have forgotten your password, then you have this option that says forgotten your password. And you can click on that option as well if you have forgotten your password. And after you fill this both boxes over here, you can click on the sign in option right over here. And then you'll be successfully logged into your University of South Australia. So thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.